Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David again, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Polar Hair Dye Shampoo. So the Hair Dye Shampoo has sparked a massive debate between the convenience and longevity. So the pro is its instant, chemical-free gratification. Unlike traditional box dyes that takes 45 minutes and smell of ammonia, this shampoo deposits pigments in just 5 to 10 minutes. While you shower, it's enriched with botanical ingredients like argan oil and keratin, so leaving hair feeling noticeably softer rather than fried. However, the burning question remains: does it fade in a week? For most users, the answer is yes, partially because it uses direct dye technology. The color begins to lose its vibrancy after 2 to 4 regular washes. If you if you wash your hair daily, you will see significant fading within 7 days. Real World's tester in 2026 suggested while it perfectly blurs grays, it doesn't or won't provide the permanent lock-in of a salon service, so it is an elite tool for maintenance and root touch-ups between salon visits, but it is not a one-and-done solution. To keep the color from fading in a week, you'll need to swap your regular shampoo for a color-safe version or reapply the Polar shampoo every third wash.